Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a mailbox to Google Workspace. This process allows you to transfer email data from another email system directly into Google Workspace, making it essential when switching providers or consolidating accounts. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is the Google Admin Console homepage where you'll manage all aspects of your Google Workspace domain. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using a super administrator account. Type in your admin email address and click Next. Only super admins have the necessary permissions to perform data migrations, so make sure you're using the correct account. After signing in, look for the main menu and navigate to Data Migration. Click on it to open the migration dashboard. This is where all your email migration tasks will be managed and monitored. In the Data Migration section, you'll see a drop-down labeled Source. Click on it and select where your mailbox data is coming from. This could be Gmail, another Google Workspace account, an IMAP server, or other supported email platforms. Choosing the correct source is crucial as it determines what connection settings you'll need. Depending on which source you selected, you may be prompted to configure the connection settings. This typically involves entering credentials or IMAP server details for the source account. If you're migrating from another Google Workspace domain, you'll need administrator credentials for that domain. Follow any authorization prompts that appear so Google can securely access the source mailbox data. Next, verify the destination details. The system will show you the target Google Workspace domain where the data will be migrated. Make sure this matches your intended destination. Now you'll need to create a migration map. Click Create Map or Add Mapping, then pair each source user's email address with their corresponding destination email address in your Google Workspace domain. This mapping ensures emails land in the correct mailboxes. Before starting the migration, configure your migration options. You can choose a specific start date, decide whether to migrate mail only or include other data, select which folders to include or exclude, and determine whether archived or deleted items should be migrated. These settings give you control over exactly what gets transferred. Once everything is configured, click Start or Begin Migration to initiate the process. The migration will begin running in the background. You can monitor progress in the data migration dashboard, where you'll see each user's status marked as in progress, completed, or failed. If any errors appear, address them promptly to ensure a smooth migration. After the migration completes, sign into a few target mailboxes to verify that all data transferred correctly. Check folder structures, recent emails, and attachments to confirm everything is intact. Finally, notify your users that the migration is complete and provide any necessary instructions, such as re-authenticating their email clients or updating mobile device settings. Thanks for watching.